Today, I'll guide you through creating a map line animation in Premiere Pro. To start, select the Pen tool from the toolbar. Click on several points on your map to create the path for your animation. Next, highlight your image and graphic layer, then extend them to your desired duration on the timeline. Navigate to the Essential Graphics panel. Uncheck the Fill option and check the Stroke option. Adjust the width and color of your line as needed. Now, head over to the Effects panel. Find the Crop effect and apply it to your graphic layer. In the Effect Controls panel, click on the Toggle Animation button next to Right Crop. This will create keyframes for your animation. Increase the right crop value until your line just begins to appear. Finally, move the timeline slider to the end of your clip. Decrease the right crop value until your line animation is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully created a map line animation in Premiere Pro. Experiment with different paths, colors, and durations to customize your animation further.